Okay, today I'm making Hamza. So as you can see, the water is boiled. So I can weigh my Hamza now and put it in. So this is 1 cup. Two cups. Okay. Half. So I'm cooking 2.5 cups of Hamza. Okay, today I'm making Hamza. So as you can see, the water is boiled. So I can weigh my Hamza now and put it in. So this is 1 cup. Two cups. Okay. Half. So I'm cooking 2.5 cups of Hamza. Okay, today I'm making Hamza. So as you can see, the water is boiled. So I can weigh my Hamza now and put it in. So this is 1 cup. Two cups. Okay. Half. So I'm cooking 2.5 cups of Hamza. Hamza is boiling. I'm gonna leave it on for 10 to 15 minutes. Gonna add some salt. Not that much. And a cup of sugar. Actually, half cup of sugar. And then I'm gonna add some mustard. Okay, my Hamza is ready now. As you can see. So I'm just gonna add some butter in it because I don't want it to stick together. So I'm gonna add this much of butter. Okay, I'm just gonna let that melt in, and I will show you the final product. Yeah, this is my way of making my Hamza. Hi, I'm making the yogurt for the Hamza. Okay, this is all the yogurt that I will be using. How many grams of yogurt is this? I don't even know. Oh, this is 1 kilogram. 1 kilogram of yogurt. Okay, I got this from Aldi. So I'm gonna add the cream. Oh, yogurt. Okay. The yogurt is in now. So I'm gonna add sugar. I'm just gonna use one cup of this. 1 cup. Okay, this is the yogurt. Okay, I'm gonna add nutmeg. So I'm just gonna grate it in. Together. So right now I count it to see if the sugar is alright, if it's enough or not. So the yogurt is ready.